I've been married to Melissa for 37 years now, and of the various roles I've had over my life, one of my proudest ones is being Mr. Rice History Corner.
I think it's fair to say Melissa Kean has basically lived in the library for a lot of her years at Rice.
She began a history blog that has continued for years and has produced several thousand brief stories about Rice's history.
I realized that if you want to know about Rice, no one has a better perspective on Rice than Melissa Kean.
It's not just that she knows everything about Rice, it's that she rejoices in the telling of it. Every piece of Rice lore that she sets out, she does with affection and a great sense of humor.
You'll find her wandering the steam tunnels. You'll find her in the closets of various buildings and offices, finding the things that help tell the story of Rice.
Melissa made the saving of the documents and paperwork of Rice necessary, not just something that happened because people were too lazy to clean out a closet or an office or a storeroom.
She is curious about everything. Whether it's a manhole cover or 18 boxes of papers of someone who was a dean for years and years, they're equally important.
It was evident during the Centennial when we were walking around, and Melissa was absolutely mobbed by people. Everyone knows my girl, and they love her, and it was evident. I was walking around with a celebrity. I was like Mr. Beyonce for those couple of weeks there.
There will never be another Melissa. She has known so many of the people that were critical to Rice, and through them has known so many others. And where the personal relationship was not already present, she has gotten to know all the others through photos, through writings, through scraps of paper that included funny tales about a party. That kind of knowledge takes a lifetime, and we are so fortunate that she shares it with us.
It just touches such a wide swath of our university in a way that really nobody has done, and perhaps nobody will do moving forward the way she's done it. And she's captured the history of our institution unlike anyone else.
She loves the people who take care of Rice, loves the people who teach there, the students, loves the people who lead the institution. She even loves the people who maybe she doesn't like very much. She also has a soft spot in her heart for the Italian cypress trees that periodically commit suicide in the quad.
How would I describe Melissa in one word? Fun.
Tenaciously curious.
The truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Somewhat of a timeless sage. That's 2 words I know.
I would say passionate. She is passionate about everything that she does.
I'd have to say there are 3 or 4 words all together. I mean, she's smart, she's personable, she's energetic, she's engaging, and it's all those together that make up this person.
There's not one word. The range is too broad there. She is curious, she's obsessive, she's versatile, she's pious and irreverent. She is Mary Poppins and Don Corleone all mixed together in one.
We love you, Mimi.
Yay! Melissa, congratulations from all of us to you here in the Woodson Research Center. You know we love you so much, and you're welcome to just walk back into the back where the archives are anytime.
Our joke is that academics don't really retire. They just keep doing the same thing, and they don't get paid for it anymore.
Melissa, thank you. You have spent so much of your time, and I truly mean of your time not as a historian on the payroll, but as an individual human caring about Rice, caring about its people, caring about its legacy. We're eternally grateful.
Even though I can't see you, I am certain that your hair looks lovely today.
I would just say Rice owes you so much. I don't think not everybody has a true appreciation for how much impact you've had on the university. and our ability to tell our story. And you will be missed. I know you'll still be around and people will continue to call on you. But we really thank you for all that you've done. You have so many people here that love you, and we appreciate you greatly.